So you can hear the noise. That noise is basically the splutch and the drive pulley, the one that has the belt on. They're actually coming in contact with each other. So that happens because the pulley has dropped. You can see the nut. I was showing the customer. He was saying that he tightened it. Apparently, he didn't tighten it enough. He wasn't sure how much to torque it down. So the issue was basically the pulley was too far away from the splutch. All right, so the noise that you're hearing, right? So you have your splutch, which is up here, and this is your drive. You hear that noise? So what's happening is your belt is not in the right position as well, and also this nut. You see that? So we're going to take it off. I'm going to examine, make sure that everything is good. You don't want to have that. You see how that's loose? Not good. Hopefully, it's not wallowed out on the inside. Looks pretty good. Okay. So this is your splutch. And they mate. So we're going to push it back all the way up, and we're going to turn it and see. It should not move. All right, we're going to remove the shifter, and we're going to see if it's making that noise now. Don't lose your screws. And what you're going to do, you're going to move your shift, and it should lock. You should put it back, and it should not grind. It should not touch. So when the machine is agitating, this is agitation, it does not make any noise. Previously it was. The nut was not all the way on. Customer stated that it came off. One of the reasons they come off, if you overload, the machine will take its own nut off. Don't overload. Don't lose your screws. Now you can tell. Well, you know what? For this, hold on.